Ready?
Ready.
Set, go.
Along with the 22 partners, probably more, and the Royal Roads University family, we want to invite you to join us to celebrate National Indigenous Peoples Day on June 21st. The day will begin with a canoe landing protocol practice to honor the Lekwungen families and ancestors on the shores of the Esquimalt Lagoon. One of my favorite highlights of the day is an opportunity to witness Xwsepsum Canoe Challenge, which is named after the late Max Henry Sr., and to see who will win the paddle trophy designed by Bear Horn from Songhees First Nation, who also designed our logo. There are a number of activities that you can join throughout the day, such as a nature walk up Charlie's Trail led by elders Kenneth Elliott from Camosun First Nations and Earl Claxton Jr. from Songhees First Nations.
Ice Park will be down at the field and we're going to have ultimate frisbee, so come on down and toss the disc. It's going to be a lot of fun.
We'll be coming out here with a couple of canoes to help out with the canoe protocols and also with the canoe races in the afternoon. Should be pretty exciting and fun stuff.
We have at least one TP that will be set up. Our library is going to be running an info table. We'll have hopefully some activities for youth and community to engage with. I know we will have a team for the canoe race, so that should be really exciting.
Like last year was just an overwhelming feeling of love, and it was amazing. And I don't know if it was because we were just coming out of the pandemic or what it was, but it sat with me for a very long time.
I think for me, it was more than just the celebration of that day, to be able to participate in the planning of it and of community and connection and coming together.
Our favorite part were all the performers and being able to see the beautiful regalia, hear those wonderful songs and the voices of the community.
The surrounding areas are absolutely beautiful. It's got a peaceful energy, and last year it felt like there was a great sense of community and partnership and fun, and just a real appreciation of the local Indigenous cultures.
We're really looking forward to attending the event, making new connections, and working collaboratively with others.
While also showcasing how CRD regional parks are exploring Indigenous perspectives. Hope to see you there.
This is going to be my first National Indigenous Peoples Day as a community. I've never actually gotten to participate or be part of one, and so this is going to be very exciting.
I'm really just excited to see the kids and how excited they get when they get to see the canoes or they get to see the Ice Park Activation Center, the traditional dancers and the drumming. The whole community feeling around this is what really brought me to want to be on the committee, and I think that my number one thing that I'm really excited for maybe is probably the fry bread.
All the love that you're going to feel, everybody that's coming together, and from all walks of life.
We are so pleased to be able to celebrate bringing non-Indigenous and Indigenous communities together and celebrating our Indigenous communities across the nation.
Anina Mbuzu, on behalf of Indigenous Perspective Society, Center of Excellence in Community Education, we want to wish you a very happy National Indigenous Peoples Day. We also take the opportunity to acknowledge the many gifts of the First Nations, the Indigenous, Métis, and Inuit peoples, not only in this territory, but across Turtle Island. Miigwech, all my relations.
That means thank you for coming. We hope to see you all at the Royal Roads University on the solstice for the June 21st National Indigenous Day celebrations.
Tawao, Jackie ni sidiga sun, kawap mitna wawanti. Tawao, igo sentuti mak.
Ami dako yapi. Hello, my relatives. Yahib de washte. Welcome.
Cho, tako, papini.
Tanze Kiowao, Tawao, Dale Nitasiga son.
Come on down, celebrate with us. We'll have our jiggers jigging, our ribbon skirt dancers will be dancing, and come and have a look in our teepees. We're going to be simulating a buffalo hunt. Look forward to seeing you there.
Boo!
Tanshi. I'm the Executive Director with Island Métis, and I wish you a happy National Indigenous Peoples Day.
Happy National Indigenous Peoples Day.
Happy National Indigenous Peoples Day.
Happy National Indigenous Peoples Day!
Happy National Indigenous Peoples Day. Ah, we did it!
Got it. Thank you so much.
Yes!
Nailed it. Beautiful. That was perfect. Thank you so much.
You were awesome. Thank you. Oh my.
We're so excited about being here on that day. It's a very important day to us to be out here to support all our Indigenous peoples and to recognize who they are on their lands.
I am so looking forward to gathering with you here on the traditional lands of the Lekwungen and Xwsepsum ancestors and families on June 21st. From the canoe challenges to the performances and traditional plant walks, this is truly a remarkable occasion and one that I am so grateful to attend each year. A huge thank you to all of the partners for joining us in community and celebration once again this year. And I raise my hands to the elders, old ones, knowledge keepers, staff, and volunteers who put so much of their love and energy into the event this year. Haishka Siam, and I hope you can celebrate with us here on National Indigenous Peoples Day.